Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on ethical issues in ICT society. So, in our modern connected worlds, informations and communication technologies, commonly we are calling it as ICT, plays a crucial role in shaping how we live and work and interact each other. But with these opportunities becomes the more complex and ethical dilemmas. The aim of this today's discussion is about to explore these dilemmas and understand how we can use this ICT responsibilities as well as ethically. So the double-edged sword of digital revolutions, ICT has revolutionized the educations, healthcare, business, as well as the social interactions. On one side, it democratized the knowledge and enabled the global uh, collaborations, but on the other side it raises the concerns about the privacies, fairness and the trust. The same technologies that connects us can also exploit us. So the real challenge is learning how to balance these innovations along with the responsibilities and ethical values. So next is the privacy under this age, which is one of the most important pressing issues is privacies. So every click, every search, and the interaction leaves the behind of digital footprints. So companies which mines these data often selling it without the clear consent from the users, while stronger privacy laws are the emerging worldwide, still the users faces the risk of this misusages and breaches. So protecting the personal data has become central to ethical ICT practices. Next is the access rights and the digital divide. So another concern is the fairness. So access to the ICT is unequal because the urban areas may enjoy the high speed internet, whereas the rural communities often struggle with the basic connectivities. These digital divide limits the education, job, as well as the opportunities. So the ethical ICT must aim to bridge this gap through the initiatives like free internet trainings and also safe access to the programs. Next is the harmful actions and the weaponization. ICT can also be weaponized because the cyber attacks, software policies, and miscommunication campaigns not only damages the property but also it undermines the trust in the digital system. Moreover, the bias in the AI, such as the recruiting or lending, can also cause the unfavor to one group and favor to the another one. These harmful actions which highlights the urgent need of using this ethical safeguards. So next is the intellectual property, balancing the innovations as well as the protection, which is also an another ethical issues. While copyrights and patents encourages the creativity and which overly restricts the laws, can also restrict the access to the knowledge, especially in the developing countries. So suppose for example we can say that strict paramedical patents can limit the access to life-saving drugs. Ethical ICT practices must protect the innovations with ensuring the fairness. Next is the emerging frontiers, that is the AI and the autonomous system ethics. Artificial intelligence adds the new layers of complexity. That is, who is responsible when an autonomous car makes a, life or a death decisions? And also, how do we prevent algorithmic bias? And in the real world cases, like Amazon's AI recruiting tools, which are discriminating the women resumes based on the previous histories, that shows that without ethical oversights, AI can amplify these social inequalities. Then we are building an ethical ICT society. So, how do we respond? The core values like honesty, integrity, accountability, and the respect for this intellectual properties must be embedded in the ICT systems. So, the organizations needs the transparency, clear policies, as well as the ethical oversight. Professionals must integrate this ethics at every stages, and also in the even in the planning of the system to the deployment of the system. So, by concluding this discussions over here, that is the ethics is not an option in the ICT, it is the foundation. Whether it is protecting the privacies, ensuring the fairness on or managing the AI risk, ethics help us that is help us to create a trustworthy digital futures. So our call to the actions is very simple, that is embrace the ethics as a guiding principle to build an inclusive, secure, as well as the fair ICT society. So thank you. I hope you understand in this video.